Hey guys, the U.S. General just put out a video that you can make a mask out of a bandana, a t-shirt, and a scarf. So I'm going to show you how to do it. You can use either rubber bands or you can use hair ties. It's real easy too. Okay, so the first thing you do, you fold it to the middle from the top. And you fold it from the bottom to the middle. Make sure it's right. Then you fold it again from the top. And you fold it again from the bottom to the middle. Okay, then you put your rubber bands on. 6 inches apart. Okay, and then you take the middle part, you take the end part, put it in like that. Take this end part, put it in like that. And you got your mask. And you just put these around your ears like that. Now, some people are putting coffee filters in the middle, like in there. I mean, I don't have a coffee filter. I do have paper towels. I guess you could put a paper towel in there if you felt. But it didn't say that on the U.S. General Guide. Didn't say that. So I guess this will work. It's better than nothing. So, okay. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Be safe. And you can also use these rubber bands. These hair ties too.